Hi there, my name is Gloria Adeoye. I'm popularly known as the Fizz Grabbing Chick, and in this video, I'm going to be taking you through 5 reasons why you should learn how to trade on your own. So this is going to be a little bit different from all the other videos that I've been doing, which has basically been me talking about you trading the markets, using market structure, technical analysis, and every other strategy that will help you trade the profit. So like I said, I'm Gloria Adeoye. I'm popularly known as a Pips Grabbing Chick. I'm a Forex trader. I'm the creator of the 17-part video course titled Trade to Profit. So yes, you already know about that video course. Like you already know. And you know that you should get a course, right? Yeah, okay, so I'm going to be taking you through today on why you should learn to trade on your own. Now take note, I'm not going to name call, I'm not going to mention any organization, and this video is not to undermine any organization. I'm just going to be walking you through these reasons based off my own experience. Okay, so this is not to undermine any organization. Okay, all right, got it? Okay, so this is just me narrating my experience or telling you, giving you the reasons based off my experience. You ready? Let's go get it. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the subscription button and tap on the bell to get all the videos, because this is a channel where we teach you not just to trade, but to trade to profit. Okay, so 5 reasons why you should learn to trade on your own. Number 5, you're going to take it 5, 4, 3, 4. So number 5 is it gives you some kind of freedom. Now, why do I use that word freedom? Thing is, you can wake up any day, any time, any hour, any minute to trade the market. Now, because you already know what you're doing, you already know what to do, you don't really need someone, to veto or tell you whether or not you should trade. So there is that freedom that comes with knowing how to trade on your own. Before now, I used to be, belong, be part of an organization that allows me pay a monthly subscription to trade the market. Got it? So I'm having to pay every month to be able to have access to trading tools. Now, there was something that really struck me at a point while I was in that organization. I was paying every month. I was paying in dollars. When you convert the dollar to naira, you realize that you're paying close to 80,000 naira every month just to trade. And how much was I making from the market? I wasn't really making enough to be able to afford the subscription. So I was having to pay off my salary and rake money from different areas to be able to afford the subscription. But that's another story for another day. So here I was paying every month just to be able to have access to the tools to trade. But while I was doing that, I realized that I wasn't free, right? I was entrapped. Yeah, I was trapped, whatever. I was trapped to the organization. I was having to depend on them, and that wasn't freedom. Here I was trying to, create some kind of passive income that would lead me to financial freedom, and here I was having to depend on an organization to send me the signals, to give me the tools, and I need to also have to worry about being able to afford the subscription every month. So learning to trade on your own gives you that amount of freedom. Freedom means that you are able to go into the market on your own. One of the things someone told me, because then when I was in that organization, I was also marketing for them, right? So I was pretty much promoting their product. So what she told me was that I don't have money to afford the next month's subscription, so I can't trade anymore. And I said, truth is, the MetaTrader 4 is subscription free. You don't need subscription to log into your MetaTrader 4. You don't need subscription to trade the Forex market. The Forex market is subscription free. The only reason you're having to pay subscription is because you are in an organization that has a product that you feel you need to make profit. But the truth is, you really don't need those products to make profit. All you need to know is to understand how to trade the market structure. It didn't really click for her. She didn't really get it. So she left, right? She stopped trading entirely just because she couldn't afford to pay the subscription. So when she did that, I got thinking, here is someone that had the zeal to trade, so someone that actually wanted to trade, but because she couldn't afford to buy the tools, because she couldn't afford to pay for those tools, she quit trading. And then it struck me. we really need to learn. I really need to learn how to trade this market instead of me pushing a product that will make people become slaves to that company or that product. So 5 reasons. Number 5, freedom. It gives you that freedom to be able to trade on your own, the freedom to play in the market on your own. Number 4 is access. Now, when I use the word access, it simply means that you already know that this market is a 6.6 trillion. Some people say 6.8. Well, the numbers keep going up. That's just what it means. The numbers keep going up, trillion dollar, a day market. So that means you as an individual, as a retail trader, has access to the market. Now, an understanding of how to trade the market allows you access into it. So all you need is a broker, isn't it? So all you need is a broker. Once you get the broker, you just go into the market and start trading. Now, because you already have the freedom to trade, you now have access to trade. So that means you don't need to pay for a tool. You don't need to pay for a service. All you need to do is access. Now, the broker gives you that access. So the minute you get that access, you are in the market and you're trading. So imagine this, all right? Imagine waking up in the morning, on a Monday like this, and knowing that you can trade. Freedom, right? So all you just have to do is log into your MetaTrader 4, look for the opportunity, and click on the buy or sell button. So you have that access, you have that freedom. So number 5 is freedom. Number 4, it gives you access. So number 3 is that leverage. Now, you already know that most people trade the Forex market because of the leverage it provides them. What's the leverage? The leverage to be able to, play with a small amount of money in a very big market. So you have $100. You can play in the market with $100 by virtue of the brokers. They provide all the leverage, so you can go into the market and play with just $100. So with $100, you have the opportunity to make $20 per day, $50 per week, depending on your plan. Personally, I always know, I'm not going to tell you my plan, but personally, I target 50 to 100 pips per week. So it could be any amount. It could be 100, it could be 200, it could be 500, it could be 1,000, depending on my lot size. So it is my goal, my profit. So you decide on your target, how much you want to make, what you want to do. So you have that leverage to decide. You have that leverage to place a value on your profit margin or your profit scale or your profit target. So we've said number 5 is freedom. It gives you that freedom to trade. And number 4, it gives you access. You have access to the market. The market is not closed out, all right? Because you don't have money to pay at the end of the month doesn't mean that you can't log into MetaTrader 4. You can't log in because it is subscription free to access. And number 3 is that you have leverage. So that leverage is it's not something that we can actually put a price on. The leverage that you can actually come. So someone showed me an account of $2. Now, I'm not saying you should do that, but he showed me an account of $2, and he said he's trying to grow it. Like, he might just crazy like that. Like, the minute you know how to trade, you begin to do a lot of crazy things. So yeah, he's trying to grow a $2 account. How much is $2? That's like 800 naira or thereabouts. So he's trying to grow a $2 account, and when he screenshot the empty pot to show me, he was up $1 and some cents. It's crazy like that. So you can actually come in with X amount of money and try to flip it, try to grow it in the Forex market. That's how crazy, that's how beautiful trade the Forex market is. So talk about 5, 4, 3. So number 2, what's number 2? Reason number 2, it gives you access to create wealth. So I like to call that wealth creation. So there are so many ways you can actually begin to create wealth as an independent trader. Now, what are these ways you can begin to create wealth, right? These are basically just suggestions. You may not really need to do them, but it's just, so 5 reasons why you should learn how to trade on your own. So being able to create wealth, what are the ways you can create wealth as an independent trader? One is that you will be able to monetize your skill. So here you're able to trade in the Forex market. And a lot of people are looking to trading. A lot of people are looking to come into. A lot of people want to learn how to do it. So you have been able to place yourself in a position where you now know how to trade it. And if you're interested in teaching like I am, you begin to monetize this skill, all right? It's a skill set you've learned. You've learned it. So you want to pass it on, right? You want to teach someone. And when you begin to teach someone about it, they should pay you. Because people that don't appreciate what they don't pay for, if they don't pay for it, trust me, they won't use it. If you're going about doing free trading, you just pretty much exhaust yourself, and these guys won't use it. So people value what they pay for, because that's the reason why they pay you for it, because they value it, isn't it? So you're able to to monetize the skill set that you've learned. So, right, so that helps you, create wealth, like create a passive income for yourself. Another thing you can do is, some people do that anyway. I don't really do that, but you can try it also. Is to be able to, is to manage people's accounts. So you can actually, begin to create wealth also by managing people's accounts. Like someone said, grow my account again, and he did that. And send $50 and try to grow it and all of that and all that. So you could do that if you want to, but I don't do that. What I basically do is I train, all right? And some people do the signal aspect of it, that's the sell signal. So whatever works for you, right? These are just different avenues that you can begin to, create wealth for yourself as a Forex trader. So it could be you teaching people how to trade. It could be you helping people to manage their accounts, or it could be you just providing mentorship to people who are looking to trade. So whatever it is, whatever works for you, you will be able to do that. But one thing you don't want to do as a trader is to promise people X amount of percentage at the end of the month, because truth is, when you do that, you may not be able to meet up your obligations, and then you may begin to run into a lot of snags and a lot of troubles. So you don't want to go promising people that I'll give you 10% at the end of the month, because the truth is you may not even be able to make that 10%. So caveat, you want to be careful. Don't go through that route. But people do that and wish them well, but I always tell people not to go through that route, because it is a very complicated route and it's a road that is filled with lots of thorns. So you want to avoid it. And what is number one reason, that number one top of my list, why you should learn how to trade? Number one, so number one major reason why you should be trading is the ability to create a passive income for yourself. So whatever it is you're doing, be you a teacher, a banker, a worker, whatever it is you're doing at all, as a trader, being able to trade the market on your own, you will be able to create a passive income for yourself. So here you are keeping a job and also being able to multiply your money in the Forex market on your own. So that's passive income on the pretty much like a side income or a passive income, however way you want to call it. But basically, you knowing how to multiply your income. All these guys go around telling you that, one of the secrets of the wealthy is that they compound, they multiply and all that. So it's actually true, right? It's actually true. It's actually one of the secrets to being wealthy. You want to know how to compound your money. You want to know how to multiply your money, because that is when you can actually say you are, making money. So here you are earning an active income from your job, from your business or whatever, and here you are trying to multiply that active income, maybe an aspect of it in the Forex market, by multiplying it. So you're earning $10 per day, $5 per day, $20 per day, or $1,000, $5,000. The profit margin is limitless. So that opportunity that it gives you to be able to multiply your income is one of the reasons why you should begin to learn how to trade on your own. Now, the truth is, when it comes to learning to trade, there are so many opportunities. Someone called me and said, I'll just go on YouTube, and I said, please do. In fact, I'll even send you to my channel. Like, just go to my channel, Pips Cassa, subscribe to it and watch all the videos there. I guarantee you will come back to me and tell me you don't understand what's going on. So there are so many places that people believe they can just go click play and watch, and take that information to the market. But the truth is, for you to really trade profitably and to really scale profit, you need a systemic level of training, right? You need to be taught systematically. You need to follow a structure, a syllabus. You need to take it step by step, follow like the A to the B to the C. You don't want to go Z, X, A, D, J, Y. No, you don't want to do that. You want to follow it step by step, follow it gradually, and take it from the kindergarten to the nursery, to the primary, to the secondary, to the university. You know what I mean? So you want to take it step by step like that until you get to the place where you can say you are good to go. All right. So our goal at Pips Cassa, our Trade to Profit, is to teach you to trade. Now, beautiful thing is that in September, I'm planning a training. Yay! Yeah, I'm planning a training. Yeah, before the corona and all, I usually do have physical trainings in Ikeja. But because of the corona and the restriction and movement, I had to move all of my classes online. So I'm going to be having a training in September. Check on the description section of this video to get more information on how you can gain access to that training. Now, it's a 2 weeks class. It's not free, it's paid. I don't do free classes. And I do sometimes when I just want to talk about stuff like this. All right, so, but it's going to be a paid class, and it's 2 weeks, and this class is only going to take 5. Yeah, you heard me, just 5 people. because I try to keep my classes minimal. I try to keep it small because I don't really want to have a full class, and then I'm like, who are you? Who? No, I like to keep my classes small because it's up close and personal. I need to know you, you know me, and we have to make sure, or I have to make sure that your learning is detailed enough, you're understanding enough, and you get value for your money. Okay, so check on the description section. There's going to be a class in September, so you get information about it. For now, it's for those in Lagos. For those outside Lagos or outside Nigeria, the class is done online via Zoom. All right, so you simply connect via Zoom to have access to the class. But for now, in September, I'll be having a 2 weeks physical class for 5 people living in Lagos. The venue is Ikeja. So click on the description section to get more information about that course. All right. So my name once again is Gloria Zoe. I'm the Pips grabbing chick, and I'm a trader that not only trade, but trade to profit, and I also have the goal to make sure that you trade to profit. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like the video, if you enjoy it, if you learned something, click on the like and let me know what you think in the comment section. Have a good day. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye.